So this is a question from JEE Advanced 2023. Advanced 2023. The question is, a particle of mass m is moving in xy plane such that its velocity at any point x comma y is given as velocity as a function of y and x. It is given, that is v vector is equal to alpha into y, x cap means I will be writing here I cap only, plus 2x j cap. Okay, this is the velocity as a function of x and y, it is given. Now we have to find, since mass of the body is given m, so we have to find what is the force acting on this particle. So force will be directly F vector is equal to m into a vector. So we have to find only the a vector here. Okay, since velocity of the particle in that x direction, horizontal direction, that will be vx, that is equal to dx by dt. Okay, and velocity of particle in y direction will be dy by dt. Okay, so here since acceleration vector is equal to rate of change of velocity vector, so I will be directly differentiating this equation, dv vector by dt, that will be what, alpha into dy by dt I cap plus 2 dx by dt j cap. Okay, now since vx is equal to dx by dt, so this is the component of velocity in x direction, that is equal to alpha into y from this equation, and similarly component of velocity in the y direction dy by dt, that is equal to 2 alpha x. Okay, so just substituting these values, alpha dy by dt is what, velocity of this particle in y direction I cap, plus 2 dx by dt is velocity of particle in x direction j cap. Now substituting these values, alpha into vy is what, 2 alpha x, 2 alpha x I cap, plus this vx is what, alpha y, so 2 alpha y j cap. So acceleration vector we are getting here, this 2 I will take common here, 2 alpha square x I cap plus y j cap. Okay, this is the acceleration vector. So what will be the force vector? F vector will be equal to ma vector, that is equal to 2 alpha square x I cap m into 2 alpha square x I cap plus y j cap. So this is the answer for our force vector. Okay, so here F vector is equal to 2 m alpha square x I cap plus y j cap. So option number A is the correct answer.